come inside and have a look at our bed.
So the first feature of our amazing bed is that it converts to your UK standard double bed, and we have an 11 centimetre memory foam mattress that fits on top. So the beauty of this build is that it's a simple design. There's no runners, catches or anything like that, and it all slides away neatly back into a settee or a couch. So sometimes when we've got a lot of equipment on board, we'll leave it in this configuration because it doubles the amount of storage, so we can fit our supboard or our canoe. And the beauty of this is that you can also still access the area at the back just by removing this panel. A nice and simple, straightforward design, just on magnets. And if I pull this one out, we've got a comfortable U-shaped dining area with our table in the middle.
We've got this that just clips off, and we can put it to one side to get the toilet out, and then simply put it back
just on magnets, so it's nice and easy.
So that's a simple one. We didn't want a door or anything because then you're limited to where you can put the toilet and things like that. And this one's a nifty little idea. So we've got a really, I'm at the wrong place obviously, but
it comes all the way to the back of the seat there.
Yeah, and it goes all the way back down to the arch. The
wheel arch.
Yeah. So we're going to use that as storage for all the like toilet things, toiletries and cleaning stuff.
Consumable stuff out,
So that's a nice little feature.
And the final configuration is how we've got it now, where one person could be relaxing with their feet up, and the other person could be cooking, sitting on the end of the bed with the induction hob out. And you've got really good access to that without bending over the hot pans.
That's our amazing versatile bed. Hope you like it as much as we do. And now we're going to show you exactly how we made it. That for your feather.
What is it then?
It's vanilla bueno cupcake.
Bueno cupcake.
Right, can you get me another seat? In the middle of the slat, this one. Where we had it.
Are we getting the stuff out? Marker doors, templates. I might have mentioned it before.
We're going to make any ever again in your life. Thing is, with cardboard, if you cut it in the wrong place, you could just tape another bit on, couldn't you? Not a problem. Well, I'm liking that better.
pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's acceptable.
We're watching you.
There.
Oh,
The work bloke.
it's been a while, isn't it? So that fits.
They got described in there.
Very nice.
Does round. Oh, I'm going to make sure that that still shuts, but I think it does.
checked
We've
and it
already
was
checked,
9
didn't we?
9 to 10
Yeah.
will fit, so that
Yeah.
should be fine.
So we're going to use the nail gun to put this on because it's never going to come off.
Yep.
Cue to me taking it off in about 5 minutes' time. No,
With an hammer.
we've already pre-painted it that side, and I didn't cut it the wrong way at all.
Although it's made my life easier for painting it inside.
Yeah, so
Well done for thinking ahead there, Mark.
yeah. So get that nail gun up into there, and number 1. The old leg. I'm happy with that.
You should be. Looks great.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah,
Does the job.
does the job on the tin. What was that advert? Ron Seal or something like that.
Something like that.
So what we do, Mark? This time we're at the end of the bed.
Cut in some wood.
He's so good at his explanations,
Cut a few
isn't he?
pieces of wood before.
So what we're doing now is just the thin plywood, aren't we?
Just going to face it with some thin ply, yeah.
Just so that you can't see the framework, really. Because we didn't really have anything to make the framework out other than a bit of CLS wood, isn't it?
Yeah.
So. Camera.
Can you get me the hammer?
Yeah.
Do the video, please. Do the video. Good job, I've got a steady hand. Right,
What have you got?
it's a drawer. I think we're going to line it with carpet, aren't we?
Don't know yet.
Let's see. Let's see if it fits. That's the only problem. You'll never get it in. Once it's
Should have tried this off camera. The answer is take the bed out. Or move it a bit.
I'll get in so you can pull it out.
It's it like a garden now.
Yeah. It's actually really long.
It was space we really didn't want to lose, isn't it? Under the
Get
bed.
all the way to the back as well.
So I'll just show you how far.
So it's quite a long one. So we're thinking kitchen roll, loo rolls, wipes, antibacterial wipes.
All cleaning
sandwich
products and
bags,
toilet products.
bin bags,
Yeah.
that kind of stuff. Because it's really easy to, if you imagine that you've just been to the supermarket or the store or the mall, and you want to, you can just pull that out and load it up. Also, if you go into the mall or the store, you can open it and have a quick look what you need, what you're running out of. Yeah. Okay. That's it for now. Becky's going to paint that up, isn't you, Beck?
Again, back to painting.
I think we're going to paint it on the outside, and we might line it with something, hadn't we said?
I think I might paint it on the inside anyway. And then we'll see.
Yeah.
Because I can always do that at a later date then, can't I?
Yeah. And we're going to just going to make it, not bother with drawer runners so we can...
Nah, it's fine. It runs on the bottom of the thing. Put a bit of carpet on the bottom, it'll run
take the
smooth.
friction away. Yeah, I mean, most of the time, I'll just open it that much, shouldn't you?
Yeah, I think if you just put the stuff you use less.
Yeah. But that is
the back.
space that we'd have lost else
Yes,
in the bed. So another storage solution is always good.
We need to find it. We need to find even more, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll look really good, that will. Saft scissors.
Saft scissors. Sometimes I do wonder about him. Let's have a look at what Mark's doing. What are you doing, Mark?
It's like I'm cutting somebody's hair, isn't it?
Well, that's doing is my job, aren't you?
Carpet fitter. Can't get better than a quick fit fitter.
That's that with the first coat on it. Looking rather neat. Oh, we'll have to put up with this one, won't we, you know?
Yeah. I've never carpeted the bottom of a drawer before, so it's a bit of a first for me.
Oh dear. So, yeah. Oh. Don't mess up my paintwork.
Right. That's that then,
Or undo the bed to get it out anyway, so.
Have you painted the back?
Huh?
Have you painted the back?
No.
We've never done it, have
So Mark's just nailing on the bottom. What are we calling it, Mark? Like a tray, isn't it?
I've got it a tray.
It's basically underneath the bed, and it's so that when we pull these slats out, stuff in the bed comes with it. Go on, Mark, explain why.
Before we had to reach in because there's obviously to stay on the floor inside the van.
Yeah.
So this will mean that when we pull it out, it will come out all together.
Yeah.
And we've got a lip on the back just to stop anything falling off the back.
Yeah.
It is going to be painted. I think we've gone for black.
Okay, so this side, at the back, similar to the front. We haven't got the drawer obviously, but similar to the front. This just clips off nice and easy, and we can access stuff that's in the back. This is what you kind of call the
garage.
Garage, yeah. I was just going to say.
It's where we keep all our carabiners and our bungees.
Anything for the van, really.
Yeah.
Tyre repair kits,
All that stuff
like
down
that.
there, basically.
Yeah.
The pump.
The pump and stuff. So anything to do with tools. We also keep the hiking stuff and everything in there, don't we?
Yeah.
The backpack, the hiking.
That we can get from the back
So
door.
you can get it from the back door really easy, or you can, of course, get it from the front as well. So you've got the options. The beauty of that means that if we're in bed mode, you can still obviously access that stuff from the back.
Sometimes we leave that back section open if we've got a lot of stuff to store. Sometimes maybe in the winter or maybe in the summer when we want to put our kayak.
Or if we're going somewhere for a few weeks and we've got to take more stuff.
Yeah.
So that's the bed.
Okay, well,
Pretty much complete, isn't it? So what we will do now is just show you it's all pulled out and everything.
different
All
configurations.
the different configurations. The only one thing that we've got yet to do is be able to do it in the dining room configuration, because we haven't got the tabletop
No.
yet.
But we can show you how it would work.
But yeah, we won't be showing you with the
Covers, the mattress on, yeah.
on, because we've still got dust in here,
Yeah.
so we'll put them on at a later date.
Yep. Okay guys, so this one pulls out. So sometimes we just leave it in that configuration, don't we? Because that means that you've got some more storage. Because at the moment, that's the storage. But if it was pulled out, we've got all of this stuff in here as well. So it doubles it. Okay. The modification that we've done, the upgrade, is to make it so whatever we put in the drawer pulls out with it. So it's just easier, save reaching in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we can have it in dining room mode.
Which is just the end one, isn't it?
That's this one forward.
So you would sit opposite each other there if you wanted to.
Of course, like I say, we haven't got the tabletop. So.
Yeah. And we also.
It's awkward for myself.
And that's a UK double bed. What's the width, Beck?
135.
Yeah. So we've got a UK double standard memory foam mattress that we'd have in the UK. So that fits on there. So it's better than sleeping in your own bed at home, isn't it? And it's nice and soft. There is one other configuration we have. If we just shut that one there on the end. So sometimes we have it in this configuration. We parked up somewhere nice and we both want to sit. We normally we'll lounge with our feet, our backs on the back doors, and we can both get our feet up there and still have a bit of room around there.
This one not being out is, of course, you can do your cooking still and all that really easily, access the water and the sink, and still get to these cupboards to get to your cooking stuff and food very easily. Yeah. So this we have this set up quite a lot, don't we? Yeah, sometimes we take one of our daughters to and see the horses, wild horses or any kind of animals really. Into the old van though, is she? No, she will be one day maybe, but never mind. She's not been with us yet. No. So you want to push that all the way back in there? Yeah. So nice and easy, just slides in. Quite a simple design, no drawer runners or anything. It just all. You want to complicate it. Nice and easy. Yeah, that last one just needs a little bit of lubrication. But that's the bed and the dining table and the sofa and the chaise lounge. What do they call them in France? We'll find out soon, won't we? Yes, when we go to France. First trip properly abroad in Rory. Yep, we're going to Brittany. Hence the little bit of a rush to try and get a few finishing touches like those cupboards and stuff, isn't it? So, yep, that's the bed. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. Really appreciate your support. Yes, we do. And if you've bothered to wait till the end, you may as well click the like, comment, subscribe, all of the buttons. It's free. It's absolutely free, and it helps us build the channel, which we want to build really the channel, and we want to have a lot of fun in this van and building it, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it, and maybe our adventures in the future. Yeah, maybe inspire you. I know there's a lot of people who can't get out as much as they used to, so while you're still fit and able, go out and enjoy the outside. Yeah. I think. So thanks again for watching. If you do like this one, then there's plenty more to come. Even the big jobs are probably coming to the end a little bit, but we've got plenty more jobs to do. So thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.